Hello, learners, and welcome back to your own channel, LIY English. Learn it yourself. Learners, in this video, we will learn the most interesting and the easiest writing skill in English, which is interview writing, and it comes for 4 marks. As per HSC assessment criteria, you get these 4 marks based on your appropriate framing of questions, language and style, and overall impression. Students who are going to appear for HSC boards, interview can be the option that you choose. It will be better for you, it will be beneficial for you in terms of marks, because it is going to come as per HSC boards paper pattern, along with the options of email writing and report writing. Now, if you compare interview, email and report, you know that interview is quite an easy scoring as compared to the other two, because email writing and report writings are the question where you have to write more. You have to write more content in them, and the more you write, more chances of you committing mistake and losing marks. So that is why I would suggest that it will be better if you are interested in attempting this question, because you don't have to write much. In fact, you don't have to write the answer here. You are the one who's getting the chance to frame the question, so you have to just write few question and you get good marks. So, learners, in this video, we will learn in detail what is an interview. We will look at the format of the interview, some important tips, and common questions. These are the questions that I have included, especially for the students who feel that they are confused. They don't know what type of questions should they be framing and what types of questions should they be asking. So, these are the some common questions that you can ask in any kind of question or situation. And finally, towards the end, we will solve an example question. So do watch the video till the end. Now, if we go by the definition, interview is a formal conversation between the interviewer and the interviewee. Interviewer here is the one who asks the question, and interviewee is the one who is giving the answer. Now, interviewer generally is the reporter for a newspaper, magazine, or TV channel, and interviewee is the public figure or a celebrity. In exam for 4 marks, you will be given a situation where you are asked to play the role of a reporter or an interviewer, and you have to ask question to the interviewee, who is the public figure or celebrity. So you have to basically frame those questions and write them down. This is the question of interview writing for 4 marks. And this is the format that you have to follow. There is nothing in the format, only you have to write one paragraph, only 3 or 4 sentences, where you will be introducing the guest, your interviewee. You will welcome him, greet him, and you will give the introduction to the audience about the occasion and about the chief guest. And then you will start framing your question. You will number each question, and for 4 marks, you have to write 8 to 10 question. It will be better if you frame 10 questions, because even though you have committed small errors in a couple of questions, it will not affect your answer very much. So for 4 marks, you have to write 10 question, number each question, and just write question by question. Don't have to write the answer. You just have to write the question. So stick to the question. This is the format you will follow. Now, when I say you have to just frame the question, does not mean you will frame any kind of question and you will put them in any order. आपको यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करने हैं और 10 क्वेश्चंस लिखने हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप कैसे भी क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करोगे और कहीं पे भी उसको पुट अप करोगे ऑर्डर में. आप इंटरव्यूज़ देखते हो, मैगज़ीन में इंटरव्यूज़ पढ़ेंगे आप अगर, या टीवी में देखेंगे इंटरव्यूज़, तो वो कितने यूनिफाइड और वेल टुगेदर लगते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन से दूसरे क्वेश्चन तक ट्रांजिशन एकदम स्मूथ लगता है. इट्स बिकॉज़ क्वेश्चंस को प्रॉपर्ली अरेंज किया गया है, प्लान किया गया है. दिस इज़ हाउ यू हैव टू प्रेज़ेंट. उसी के लिए 2 मार्क्स है कि आपको अपने इंटरव्यू को पूरी तरह से अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. सारे क्वेश्चंस एक अच्छे प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लगने चाहिए. सो 3 टाइप की कैटेगरीज है जिसमें आप अपने क्वेश्चंस को डिवाइड कर सकते हो. सबसे पहले आप स्टार्ट करोगे ओपनिंग क्वेश्चन से. शुरू के 2 या 3 क्वेश्चन आप पूछोगे उस सेलिब्रिटी के मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस या रीसेंट अवार्ड जो उन्होंने अभी रिसीव किया है, उनकी कोई सक्सेस या अचीवमेंट जो उन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली अचीव की है, उसके ऊपर. देन यू विल स्टार्ट विथ योर मेन क्वेश्चन, जो उनकी मेजर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ जो रहे हैं, इंस्पिरेशन, हर्डल्स जो उन्होंने प्रॉब्लम्स फेस की, स्ट्रगल, who is the coach, mentor, teacher, guide, family support, turning point in life, success keys. So ये सारे areas है जहाँ पे आपके questions focus करेंगे most of the question. And then last के one or two question, concluding question, you will ask about their future plans. You will ask their message or their suggestion that they want to give to the youngsters, to the youth, and to the newcomers. So this is how you will order your questions. Now let us learn some important tips. If you are actually going to interview someone, first you have to collect information on that person before you are going to interview him or her. Then decide on the question. Generally, interview ke time pe you don't just ask questions randomly, whatever comes in your mind. Beforehand, you have to prepare and you have to decide on the question, the kind of questions you would be asking. उस इंसान के बारे में अगर आप ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करोगे, दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन विल हेल्प यू टू फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन. Plan the interview: when, where, how, etc. Basically, you have to visualize and organize in your mind how you will be conducting the whole interview. Take an appointment of the interview, which is the first step. Then practice asking questions so that you sound confident. Ask questions that will interest the audience. Obviously, you are not asking them question, or you're not taking this interview just for yourself, just because you're interested in knowing the person. The interviews are, as we learn, are the formal conversation, and it is for the audience. You are on behalf of audience asking the question, so you should ask the question that will be interesting to the audience. Make the interviewee comfortable. That is the foremost thing. If you are not making the interviewee comfortable, they might not give you satisfactory answers. Make an eye contact. This is the basic rule of not just asking question but communication. Whenever you are talking or whenever you're interacting with someone, you have to look in the eye. Be positive and polite. You have to maintain calm posture, but you should not be over friendly and very casual. Ultimately, they are the celebrity and big public figures. And overall, you have to present yourself pleasantly. This includes your body language and even your dressing style. So these are the tips you have to keep in your mind before you take an interview. Now, as I told you, common questions उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो एग्ज़ाम में कई बार जब भूल जाए या कंफ्यूज हो जाए, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करने चाहिए, तो ये ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप ऑलमोस्ट हर सेलिब्रिटी को पूछ सकते हो. ना ऐसे नहीं है कि आप हर सेलिब्रिटी को एक ही तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो. जनरली सेलिब्रिटी जिस एक्सपर्टीज़ एरिया से उनकी एक्सपर्टीज़ है, जो पर्टिकुलर फील्ड से वो निकल के आए हैं, तो उस हिसाब से क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटी को आप वो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे जो आप कोई सिंगर को पूछोगे. सो क्वेश्चंस डिफर फ्रॉम सेलिब्रिटी टू सेलिब्रिटी, बट ये कॉमन क्वेश्चंस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप जनरली फ्रेम कर सकते हो हर सेलिब्रिटी के लिए. सो these some few common questions. What were your feelings after you achieved that great success? What were the problems you faced at the start of your career? Who were the pillars of strength and support to you? Who was your guide, teacher, coach, mentor? How do you keep yourself motivated constantly? What do you think are the most essential qualities required in your profession? What was the turning point in your life, career? When and why did you decide to enter into this field? What do you think is the key of your success? What message would you like to give to your audience? Who's your role model? What advice, suggestions, tips you would like to give to the newcomers? So these are the questions that you can utilize in any kind of question. Now let us solve an example question. This is how the question will come in your exam. Imagine that you have to interview a social campaigner of your choice. Frame a set of 8 to 10 questions to interview him, her as per the following points. जनरली एग्जाम में आपको सेलिब्रिटी का नाम नहीं दिया रहेगा, सिर्फ कोई एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड दी जाएगी और कहा जाएगा कि उस फील्ड में जो आपका कोई फेवरेट पर्सनालिटी है उससे आपको इंटरव्यू लेना है. इट कैन बी स्पोर्ट्स, इट कैन बी सोशल वर्क, it can be singing or entertainment, acting, anything like that. So यहाँ पे social campaigner, social worker की field दी गई है. So you have to take an interview of any social campaigner. इन सारे पॉइंट्स के बेस पे आपको क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करने हैं. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द गेस्ट, background of the campaign, setbacks, criticism, support, achievement, dreams, messages. So this is how You will write your answer. First paragraph, as I had told you, about greeting and welcoming the guest. Good morning. Here I've included Nandita Das, जिनकी जो अभी recent campaign थी, Black is Beautiful, the campaign against this evil practice of racism, which was very successful. So I have included her. Good morning, Ms. Nandita Das. We are honored to have you on our show. Your campaign against racism has created a stir in our society. We would like to know more about the subject. Now comes the question. Let me ask you the most important question first. What led you to start this revolutionary campaign? What were the initial setbacks that you had faced? Were you nervous thinking about the prospective reaction from our society? What do you think is the reason behind this discrimination based on skin color in our society? Have you ever been a victim of this cruelty? Who supported you the most in your tougher times? You have been hugely appreciated for your campaign. Do you expect more such positive initiatives from others? Who's your idol? Many people, especially young girls, look up to you as their idol. How do you hope to live up to their expectations? Would you like to give any message to our youth who look up to you? So, this is how you will frame questions for interview. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share among your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you very much.